I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. Welcome to another Crafty Vision segment. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am going to be your host for today's video. Okay, y'all, so if y'all can remember back, I did a haul on these gems right here. And as a matter of fact, I bought a couple of packs of these. Like I bought like maybe 4 or 5 packs of these, but I tried to get them in different colors. I got one in blue, one in all pink, and then I got a couple of them with this different mixture here. Okay, so today I'm going to show y'all how to make a really cute pair of I'm going to say button gemstones, because these are gemstones. These are called gemstones. So button gemstone rhinestone earrings. All right, so here are the items that you are going to need for this here Crafty Vision segment. I am going to be using some tacky glue. Okay, I'm also going to be using these buttons. Now these buttons, if y'all can remember, I purchased these buttons from Walmart like last year sometime, and you get plenty in here. And at the time when I bought these, they were $10. Okay, now they are $11. Okay, they're $11 now, and like I said, you get a lot in here. So you will also need some paint. So I'm using some matte acrylic paint, jet black. You're going to need a paintbrush, of course, some water and all that good stuff. You will not be using any of this. We won't need none of this stuff, okay? No round nose pliers or wire cutters. So here is the post that you're going to be using. Okay, these are some stainless steel posts that I ordered from Amazon.com. Okay, you get a bag of, I don't know, I'm not really sure. I'm thinking maybe 25 or 50 or something like that. And this is how they come. And you have this is the back of it. And this is actually the piece of what it looks like. Okay. So you're definitely going to need something like this. I will make sure that I leave everything in the description box for you all, so you all can go over and buy these, okay? All right. You're going to need some buttons. I'm only going to be making one earring. And I have already taken the liberty to paint this. So once you get this earring painted, it's smooth sailing after that, okay? You may have to paint it a couple of times. You may have to paint it a couple of times. I think I had to paint this at least twice, okay, to give it a nice coat. But basically what I'm going to say is, if you are making these earrings for yourself, then you may, because this is the thing with these. These come with a sticky back, okay? Now, if you decide to sell these earrings, please take the sticky back off. I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm taking this one off right here. All you do is you just roll it down like this, right? Make sure that you use some type of adhesive when you are going to put it on your button. See, that just comes right off just like that. And you just clean the rest of this off. And if you are going to be, selling these, you may want to use some E6000. Of course, some E6000. You can even use this tacky glue and glue this on. Okay, tacky glue is awesome. All right, it really, really bonds. So I am going to be, this earring is going to have a couple of layers. It's gonna have 2 layers to it. So basically, I'm gonna go with this one right here. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. All right, and basically what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna place it onto my button, because I've already painted it just like this. Now I'm gonna go with this side of my button. This is going to be the back of my button. Also make sure that whatever button you choose, that you decide to use to do this, that is flat, that the surface is flat, so that when you go to add this on, it could be, you want it to be nice and smooth, but you also want to bring it all the way up to the top of the earring. Okay, make sure you just bring it all the way up, glue it up at the top as far as you can take it, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I want to take my piece and I'm going to place it right over like this, try to get it in the center. All right, so I have it on there. Once again, like I said, you can take that sticky back off and you can glue it on to your button, okay? I'm hoping that this is in the center. Now what I want to do is I'm going to add some of these little smaller ones on top of it to give it like a 3D kind of sort of a look. So I have because you got all different sizes in here. I'm going to go with this pink. So I'm going to add my little pink one right here. It's pretty much the same color as this. And these have stickies on it too, so you can take those off as well. And then I'm going to add, actually I'm going to add on up my blue one. Okay, so I'm going to put a blue one here. And try to make sure that you get them close together, as close together as possible. Just like that. My next color I'm going to go with is going to be this. I'm thinking that this is yellow. Yellow. So that's going to be my next color. And I'm going to place that right here. And then I want to put one in the center. And the one that I put in the center is going to be green. So one of these green ones. I'm going to put that right in the center. Like this. Okay. My next color is going to be like a white. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab one of these and put that right here. Just like that. And then I am going to grab a purple one, which is right here. Add a purple one. Okay, I hope y'all can see all this coming together. And then the very last one is a pink. Let me see, wait a minute, y'all. I need a pink one. So that's why I said I bought some extra ones. And you can make a lot of these earrings. These look really professional, y'all. They don't look cheap. Okay, let me see. I need a pink one. Okay, so let's just grab one of these. And this pink one, see, that's coming off already, is the last one. They're coming off, the backs is coming off. Okay, so I got one, finally. And I'm gonna put that one right here. So this is what your earring is looking like. This is it. It's really, really cute. That black background makes it pop. So now what we're going to do, since we got that on, is we're going to add on our tacky glue. So we're going to take and add on our tacky glue. You might want to get yourself something to spread it onto your, it's right here. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to take and stick it right in here like this. Get a generous amount. And just take it and apply it like this. The one thing that I do like about this tacky glue is that it is going to dry clear. So you won't even see it, okay? Because it's going to dry clear. And we're just going to flip this over, come to the top, okay? Just like this. Press it down. And set it off to the side and let it dry. When it dry, this was one of the ones that I did. See how clear that is? It dries clear. So this is it. Once it dries clear. Okay, so here we have our beautiful earrings. These are so gorgeous, y'all. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous, different, unique. And think about this. You can make so many of these, all right? You paint your button. And you can paint your button. It doesn't necessarily have to be black, but this black really makes the earring pop. You can paint it white. You can paint it pink. You can paint it whatever color you want to paint it, okay? But here you go. These are our beautiful, and this is like a stud post earring, okay? So with that being said, I want to say, please make sure that you thumbs up this video and like and share, and until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, thank you to my new supporters and my loyal supporters. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you all. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day, and until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.